वेलकम बैक। इन लास्ट सेशन वी कवर्ड जावास्क्रिप्ट में डेटा के कंटेनर्स को क्या बोलते हैं। अगर आपने वो सेशन कवर किया था तो हमें कमेंट्स में बताइए डेटा के कंटेनर्स को क्या बोलते हैं। इफ नॉट तो लिंक यहाँ है। मूविंग ऑन, एज यू नो डेटा टाइप इज अ क्लासिफिकेशन दैट स्पेसिफाई विच टाइप ऑफ वैल्यू अ वेरिएबल हैज। नाउ लेट्स लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ डेटा टाइप्स विद आवर एक्सपर्ट सृष्टि गुप्ता, फॉर्मर टेक्निकल स्टाफ Oracle सॉफ्टवेयर्स।
In your primary school, you would have learned about how you can multiply two numbers. You learnt about how you can multiply two integers. Let's say what is 4 times 5? It is 20. And you also learnt how to multiply a decimal with an integer. Let's say what is 4 times 1.5? It is actually 6. But what if someone asks you what is 4 times hello? Well, I want you to be logical here and not just say that you can write hello 4 times. Have you learned this kind of operation anywhere? No. This is because it's not logical to do so. Here, hello is a text whereas 4 is a number. And you have learnt no method of performing multiplication between a text and a number. So both number as well as text can be referred to as data types here for the reason that they have their own properties. Data types in any language are similar to some sort of data, some set of data which share common characteristics. A data type actually defines what properties these values share in common and what operations can be performed to create, transform and use the values safely. This also prevents errors because it's not necessary that an operation can be performed correctly on different data types, as we discussed in the old school example that we have discussed just now. Alright, so now you have slight idea about what data types are. Let's move on to the data types in JavaScript. Let's start with string data types. So in strings, whatever your keyboard can output on the screen, let's say numbers, let's say characters or special characters, string can hold them all. Okay, so let's consider an example. Let's say I write Srishti, which is my name. Okay, so this is a valid string, and let's say if I write 1 2 3, this also is a valid string, and I want to write @ exclamation hash, this also is a valid string. And if I want to combine all of them together, let's say I want to write Srishti @ 1 2 3. Well, this again is a valid string. So as you see, all the strings that I've typed here are valid strings.
जावास्क्रिप्ट में कई तरह के वेरिएबल्स होते हैं जैसे इंटीजर, फ्लोट, कैरेक्टर, बुलियन और इनके अपने फंक्शंस भी होते हैं। इस क्लास में हमने कवर किया स्ट्रिंग, वो वेरिएबल जो टेक्स्ट स्टोर करता है। इन नेक्स्ट सेशन वी विल कवर स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप्स इन डिटेल, तो हमारे साथ बने रहिए। एंड अगर आपको ये क्लास हेल्पफुल लगी तो चेक आउट द लिंक इन आवर डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर मोर इंटेंसिव कोर्सेज इन टेक। फिर क्या, लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब टू upGrad टेक।